Hi my lovely people, welcome to Daily Job Updates channel. If you are first time to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and encourage me to do the more videos daily. Today in this video, I am going to show you about AWS Cloud, DevOps, Azure, SRE, fresher job openings. Okay, if you are a fresher having complete 0 years of experience, or if you are a fresher with any 3 months, 6 months, 9 months internship experience, or if you are a fresher with at least 1 year of working experience, no problem, you can easily apply to the job openings which I am going to show you now. So I am requesting everyone, please subscribe the channel and watch this video completely till the end, because in this video I have mainly tried to cover the 6 job opening guys. Okay, so please watch this video completely till the end to get benefit from this 6 job openings. Okay, moreover, I'm telling once again, you may be from the any batches, like you may be from the 2024, 23, 2022, 21, 20, no problem, or you may be having career gaps of 2-3 years, no problem. You can also learn these skills and you can apply. And moreover, I'm telling you, you may be from the any education backgrounds, like you may be from the BE, BTech, ME, MTech, BCA, MCA, or you may be from the MCom, BCom, or you may be from the diploma or arts, any education backgrounds. If you are ready to learn these skills, or if you are trained on these skills, you can apply to this job opening guys. Okay, and you can easily get a software job, full-time software job. Okay, so please watch this video completely till the end. Now let's begin the first job opening. Here the first job opening comes from the LinkedIn guys. So just all of you go to your LinkedIn account and search for this profile called Nikita Beast. Okay, so you need to search for a HR. So this is her profile name. Just go to her profile, and as you can see here, look at this cloud DevOps engineer. She has mainly mentioned that she is mainly hiring for the position of cloud DevOps trainee. Okay, so trainee means it comes for the fresher. If you are having at least 0 to 1 years of experience, you can blindly apply, no problem. Okay, you just need to be trained at any cloud. It may be AWS cloud, Azure cloud, or it may be a GCP, no problem. And you should be good at DevOps familiarities guys. Okay, you should be having knowledge on DevOps tools and technologies. So here the position is cloud DevOps trainee engineer, and the job location comes from is Vaishali Nagar, Jaipur, Rajasthan. So this job this is a moreover on-site job. So you just need to ready to relocate if you are from any other part of the countries guys. So please remember. Okay, so if you are mainly from the Rajasthan or from any of the northern part of the India where you are ready to relocate to Rajasthan, then only you apply for this position. Okay, so she has mentioned the job location and all, but she hasn't mentioned about the much more about the specification of the job. So just be good at AWS cloud, okay, or any Azure cloud, no problem, and good at DevOps and Linux. Okay, if you are having knowledge on this, that's enough for this position, guys. Okay, so you need to send your resume to this hr@kinscape.com. So this is their email ID. She has mentioned email ID. Others you can directly reach out to her. Okay, you just need to send your connections and you can directly DM her regarding this job opportunity and all. So this is the first job opportunity for you guys. Now if you come into the second one, okay, the second one comes from the company called Phoenix. Okay, so this company is mainly hiring for the position of associate DevOps engineer. Look at this. So this company is mainly hiring for the position of fresher DevOps engineer guys. So the job locations comes is Kochi. Okay, so this is a full-time job opportunity, and look at this is a permanent job. They have clearly mentioned this is a permanent job. Okay, look at this, the experience they have mentioned is 0 to 1 years of experience they have mentioned, and the joining date is immediate. So you should be ready to join immediately guys. That is very important. Okay, remember the point, you need to ready to join. The location is very important. You need to join the company immediately, so be prepared for this. Next is graduate or a postgraduate degree in computer science or a software engineering, any related field. See, if you have completed your degree, or if you have completed your any graduations, no problem guys, you can easily apply to this position. They haven't mentioned about specific degree or anything. You should be having degree, that is a very important thing. And here they have mentioned about the roles and responsibilities, so please read yourself. I'm going to read about the skills. Here they have mentioned first clearly 0 to 1 years of experience in administrating enterprises Linux operating environment. So you should be having at least 0, or if you should be having hands-on experience or knowledge on the Linux environments. That is the first thing. And you should be good at AWS cloud platform guys. Okay, you should be having knowledge, hands-on experience on EC2, RDS, Roof 53, S3 bucket, and IAM role. So you should be knowing about these things. Next is you should be ready to debug and troubleshoot the volumes, okay, and CPU and memory issues. Okay, so they have mentioned about this ASD tools as Jenkins and GitHub Actions. Your choice. If you are good at any one of these, that is fine. And you should be having experience with the Terraform guys. So that is very important. And you should be having the knowledge in the scripting, it may be bash or a python. And you should be knowing the networking, okay, networking fundamentals, basics, networking and protocols, okay. And you should know about the docker. And they also asked for this familiarity with the databases like mysql and ms sql, okay. So these are all the skills which they have mentioned for you. So these are not as high, but these are okay, moderate level. So please try to mention the skills: ec2, rds, route 53, s3 bucket, iam, shell scripting, terraform. All these keywords you should be, it should be there in your resume. Then only your resume is going to get shortlisted. Otherwise your resume will not get shortlisted and you will not get any response. I'm telling, if your resume will not get shortlisted, you will not get any response from this. If your resume gets shortlisted, then only you are going to get a calls, okay. So be prepared for this. Next is just go to this section, okay. Apply for this position is the right. So enter your full name, email address, choose file, you need to upload your resume and give a cover letter also. Submit this, okay. So this is the second job opportunity for you guys. Now the third one comes from the LinkedIn, okay. In LinkedIn there is a one company called Devbox Solutions, okay. This is a IT consulting service, okay. So this solution is mainly hiring for the position of fresher, guys. If you go into the down, look at this, they are mainly hiring for the DevOps engineer freshers, okay. So if you are very good at DevOps, DevOps means you should be good at Linux as well as you should be good at cloud, and you should be good at shell scripting, and you should be good at DevOps. So DevOps means it basically looks for four skills. So be prepared for that, okay. So here they have mentioned freshers from any computer or IT background can apply. If you are a fresher, if you are mainly from computer or any IT backgrounds, no problem. Civil, mechanical, computer science, EC, anything, guys. Okay, if you are having skills, you can apply. Okay, the job location is Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Okay, remember the point. And how you need to apply for this job is connect@devboxsolutions.com. This is their email ID. So you need to send your resume to this email ID. Okay, so send this. Don't forget. Okay. So this is the third job opportunity for you guys. Now the fourth one comes from the company called Viana. Okay, so this company name is Viana, and this company is mainly hiring for the position of DevOps engineer. Okay, the job locations comes is Pune, and if you can see here, they have mentioned the job description as a DevOps engineering. This is mainly for fresher as well as experienced candidate. If you are having 1 year of experience, 2 year of experience, 3 year of experience, no problem, you can apply. I'm going to show you where they have mentioned here. Okay, so please watch this section carefully, guys. Here they have mentioned, look at this, the development front and are look out for 3 to 4 DevOps professionals having in relevant hands. Here they are mainly looking for 3 to 4 DevOps engineers. Okay, you may be professions or you may be early careers. Here look at this, on a technical experience of 0 to 3 years. Okay, 0 to 3 years means you may be fresher, no problem. If you're fresher also you can apply. If you're having at least 6 months, 1 year working experience, 2 months or 2 years of working experience, no problem, you can also apply. Freshers, see, please read the job descriptions carefully, because many of the job opportunities will be missing without reading the proper job description and all. So I'm requesting everyone, please read the job description carefully. Here they have clearly mentioned on technical experience of 0 to 3 years means even the freshers are also included for this position. Okay, so here they are mainly hiring for the skills is AWS services, guys. In AWS you should be good at EC2, ECS, ELB, S3, SES. Okay, so you should be good at these services, and as well as you should be good at Linux, and you should be good at the administration of the Linux environment. Okay, next is you should be good at automation. Here don't look at this experience, because if this JD is prepared as it compares for the both fresher as well as experience. They have clearly mentioned, right? So don't look for the experience and all. If you are having knowledge on the skills, you can apply, as I already shown you right here, 0 to 3 years. Okay, so this is very important, guys. So fresher, please read the job description. Here they have asked for the, look at this, they asked for the Ansible. Okay, automation is Ansible they are asking, and the deployment tool is they are asking is Jenkins, and the containerization they are asking is Docker, LXC, RKT, Docker, Swarm, and Kubernetes also they are asking. If you are good at any 1 or 2 of this, that is fine. There is no need of all these things. Okay, if you are knowing Docker or Kubernetes, that good. And next is working understanding of code and script, that is Bash, Python, Perl, Ruby, Java. If you are having good at least one, okay, good at scripting, anyway, it may be Python or a Bash, it's your choice, guys. But you should be good at least one scripting language, and you should be good at databases, mainly SQL database. Okay, here, and you should be knowing the what is Git. Okay, how to work on the Git and everything. That is the main thing they have mentioned here. So Here they also mentioned some of the things you should be having knowledge on networking and Windows administration, CI/CD, everything. So be prepared for this. And just go to down here. Look at this. Apply now section is there, right? So here you need to mention your name, email ID, upload resume, submit. Okay. So this is the fourth job opportunity for you guys. Now one more important thing is, see, if you haven't still subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Okay, Daily Job Updates channel. This is my fresh new YouTube channel. I'm daily updating the job openings for you. Based on your support and based on your support only, I'm going to update the job openings. So please try to subscribe and watch this video completely till the end. And if you want all the job opening links which I have shown you now, okay, you can just message me at this Instagram handle. Okay, this is my Instagram handle called Vishwa Karkale. Okay, you just need to first send me invitation, guys. Okay, once you send me the invitation, I'm going to send you all the links completely free. I will be accepting your links. Okay, so when I accept, please do message. Otherwise, while sending the request only, you can message me directly. You can message me AWS fresher or Azure fresher or whatever job opening links which are looking for. Please try to send me message. Okay, I'm going to send you all the links completely free without taking a single rupee from you. Okay, so please try to send a request and try to message me. If you message, you are going to get the links completely free. Okay, now if you come into the fifth one comes from the company called SAS. Okay, so this company is mainly hiring for the position of associate system engineer. By looking at this position, you may feel that it's not for AWS DevOps or it may be not for the DevOps flocks. But if you read the job description, it's completely for the AWS and DevOps, guys. So please try to read the JD. Here, the job locations comes in two locations, Mumbai as well as Pune. So many of the subscribers were messaging me regarding the Pune as well as Mumbai job locations, right? So please try to watch here. Okay, so this is a golden opportunity for you guys. There are so many openings from Pune from these days. So please try to get a benefit from this. Here, the mainly hiring is associate system engineers, early careers. Early careers means 0 to 2 years of candidates. Okay, so these types of candidates comes under early careers. And here, the skills which they are expecting from you. Look at this great fit. If you are a recent graduate or having up to 5 years of experience, hold a degree in computer science, mathematics, science related field. See, if you have completed a degree just now, or if you are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years of experience, no problem. You can also apply to this position, guys. Okay. So the most important thing here comes is, we are the mainly looking for the person who are having basics understanding of cloud platforms, Azure, AWS, GCP. It may be any cloud, no problem. Okay. You can also apply. And they are also looking for at least Python, guys. You should be having the knowledge on Python programming language. If you know just AWS or any cloud on Python and Linux, you can apply for this position. I'm telling you, they aren't asking so much skills in this. Okay, and if you're ready to do the projects on AI related projects, okay. So as you all know, AI is the future now. So if you're ready to work on like AI or ML, you are good to go for this project. So the thing is, here you need to just go to this apply now section and apply for this position also, guys. Okay. So the skills I'm telling once again, if you want, you can rate this. Okay, I have already read. So that's why I'm telling you. You just need to have a degree of you just need to have a degree, and you should be good at any cloud, and you should be good at Python, and if you're having knowledge at Linux or Unix. Okay. So that is the job opening for this. This is the fifth job opportunity for you guys. Now, if you come to the sixth one comes from the company called Secronix. Here, this company is mainly hiring for the position of associate site reliability engineer. See, if you are having experience like 6 months, 1 year of working experience, you can apply to this position. Or if you are having at least 6 months of working experience as a SRE position, no problem. If you want to start or if you want to build your career in the site reliability engineer position, here it's a golden opportunity for you guys. The job locations comes is Bengaluru. Okay, so moreover, this is a hybrid job. Okay, you need to there is no complete on-site job. It's a hybrid model. And look at this, they have mentioned is total experience is 0.6 to 2 years of experience. So if you're having just 6 months of internship experience or work experience in the site reliability post, you can apply. Moreover, look at this. The relevant experience they have mentioned is 6 months, and the primary skill set they are expecting is Linux SQL. So if you are good at AWS Cloud, here they have mentioned the secondary skill sets, AWS Cloud, Linux, and if you know at least one databases, it may be SQL. Okay. So if you don't know SQL, learn in just 3-4 days. You can easily learn SQL in 3-4 days. I'm telling you. So the thing is, You should be good at Linux, AWS, and SQL. So please try to apply for this position also. You may be the fresher, no problem. If you don't have any experience, if you have done some internship experience, or if you have some good projects in your hand, okay. If you have worked on some good projects, you can apply. So here, if you go into these details, here look at this. They have mentioned AWS DevOps and the Linux and SQL carries, and they are also asking for if you're having knowledge on like any of the programming or development programming languages. If you're having good, if you don't have, not a problem. Okay. So, but if you're going for a fresher, these all skills are not required, guys. Okay. If you are going as 1 year or 2 years of experience candidate, these all skills are mandatory for you. Remember this. If you're a fresher, don't think too much. If you're having AWS, SQL, Linux, apply for this position. Just go to this apply for this position and apply to this job opening also. Okay. So these are all the job openings which I wanted to show you for today's guys. If you are looking for any other job opportunities in any other domain, please try to mention in the comment section. I'll be happy to bring all the job openings for you. Have a good day. All the best for your interviews. Bye.